Do you keep getting the network required you must connect to the internet error in FIFA Mobile on your iPhone? Don't worry, here I will show you how to fix network required errors in FIFA Mobile from iOS devices. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Or you can switch from network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi, then check your issue. Solution 2. Update the FIFA Mobile app. Open the App Store, type FIFA Mobile. Now if you find any updates, then please update the app. But if you don't find any update, then skip to Solution 3. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search for FIFA Mobile, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. After following these steps, hope the network required error will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.